Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be teaching you guys a card sandwich effect that is impromptu, can be done with a borrowed shuffle deck of cards, and it's going to get great reactions. So let's get straight into it. Alright everyone, so for this trick I'm going to need the two jokers, so 1 and 2. I'm just going to leave those on the top of the deck, and what I would do is have the spectator select any card. Does not matter what it is. Let's say they select this one, the 5 of hearts. Now we're just going to leave your card somewhere in the middle of the deck, just like that. We're going to go ahead and push it in. Now what I would do now is I would hand the deck off to the spectators and hold on to the jokers. So I'm going to set the deck on the ground there. I'm just going to leave it there. Now we have the two jokers here. What happens when I actually just shake my hands? One card actually teleports in between the two. It just happens to be your card, 5 of hearts. Let's get straight into the tutorial. Alright guys, so for this trick you're going to need 2 jokers. Or 2 aces. It really doesn't matter what you use, to be honest. I just like the jokers here because they're not normal cards. So you can get these 2 and just set them on the top of the deck, just like this. Just like I did in the performance, you can just show them. I have 2 jokers for this trick. I'm just going to leave them on top of the deck. Now what you're going to do now is just, again, have them select any card. This is a truly free selection. And then what you're going to do is when they look at it, they put it back in the deck, you just leave it out jogged like this. And then you show them one last time saying, this is indeed your card. Now what you're going to do here is actually get the card to the bottom of the deck using my absolute favorite card control there is. So what we're going to do here is from this back view here, what we're going to do is simply when we come down, we're actually going to use these fingers here to pull this card down like this. So we're going to use these to pull this card down. So it's out jogged right now. And as we come down, we pull this card down and we use our thumb to push this one. So we're going to push this one out at the same exact time. So as we come down right about here, we just quickly switch these out just like that. And then it looks like this is the out jogged card. When in reality, it's right here. So I'll just do that again. I'm not going to go super detailed into this, just a brief explanation. So again, using these fingers to pull it down, as you use your thumb to push this card up, and you're going to want to have your index finger on the pack so that it doesn't get in the way, and push more cards up than just this one. So you're going to, and you do this at the same time, like I said, you're going to want to do it about here-ish as you're coming down. Just smooth, you don't want to rush it or anything like that. You just want to get it really smooth. So again, we'll just come down, smoothly do that. And now here's what we're going to do. We're going to use these fingers here. Once this card is here, we're going to actually just cull the card. So we're going to use these fingers to actually just pull it out and then push everything back up, and just so that card is on the bottom. Okay, again, not a super detailed explanation. You can probably look up tutorials on this. But anyways, now you're going to just go ahead and push their card in. And now they're going to think it's somewhere in the middle of the pack. Now what you're going to do here is a gambler's cop. So you're going to get the card locked right about here in your hands. So that's the gambler's cop right about there. Now how you're going to do this is you're going to just get a pinky break right under the bottom card. Just pull this card down with your pinky. And then you're going to just slide the deck back a bit so that it is exactly in that spot. You're going to just go back in, leaving that card behind. So again, I'll just show that real quick. So you're going to get a pinky break, and then you're going to come back. You're going to drop that card and push this deck forward. Hold it like this, and then now you have this card right here. Now what you're going to do is take the 2 jokers, kind of pull them back a bit, and you're going to give the deck to the spectator. Now as you do this, you're going to simply, as you give the deck, you're going to push down with these cards and square everything up real quick with this hand right here. And then you're going to give the deck to the spectator, and then you can kind of, make everything less dirty looking. And then while they're obviously getting the deck, and then they're going to be distracted by getting the deck, and it's going to be easier for you to do this. So again, pinky break, load it, pull back, bring these 2 jokers off the top like this, and then simply pull the deck out. And as you do this, you can just hold these two jokers like this. You don't even have to square everything up. You can just hold them like this, blocking this from behind. So from the front, they're not going to see anything. It's relatively angle proof as long as you don't get at this angle, but anywhere from this side is going to be completely clean. So anyone on this side of you is going to be totally fine. And then you can even just slightly tilt your body to the side, but all you're going to do is just hand them the deck, and then you can use both hands to just square everything up. Now, once the spectator has the deck, and then this is going to be your situation, so you have their card and then the two jokers, all you're going to do is pull off the top card and then put these together like this. Now you're going to hold it with your thumbs. You're going to switch grips, take this open hand right here, and you're going to just pinch these cards. Just pinch these cards so that they don't separate and they stay together. And then just simply shake and then just slowly pull back as you're shaking. So just shake and just slowly kind of rub them together. And then just make the big reveal that their card has teleported in between the two jokers. So this is a really great sandwich effect. There's a lot of different variations for the sandwich effect. This is just one that I personally created. It might not be original, but I came up with it on my own. So if it's not original, let me know in the comments. But other than that, I think it's a really great effect. It's relatively easy to learn, and I think really anyone can learn this. If you practice it a bunch, this will get great reactions. Sandwich effects are a great go-to card trick. So anyways, that's it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys next time.